Where are you going?
You like it?
Welcome back to Travels with my dad. We're on the trip of a lifetime taking my dad, George, back home to Malaysia.
Mate, what is that?
Is there alcohol in that mango shake?
We started off in KL, rediscovering the city.
You just got across. Let's keep going. I'm trying not to die.
We're going to spend some time up in the mountains.
Amazing. I've nothing in my memory about all this sort of stuff. None of this.
Reconnect with family, and surprise Dad with a trip within a trip.
Are we going tonight?
I can't wait to see more of my home.
Oh my god.
And travel with my darling daughter and Danger.
Couple of athletes.
I've never seen Dad run.
For the last 15 years, I've been missing the food and dreaming about going back to eat it all.
So you know that means we're doing a food tour because that's why we're here. Everybody is excited. So we're going out with a chef's tour. It's the same company that we've done tours with in numerous places around the world. I'll leave a link below if you're keen to check out this particular one, which is in Chao Kip. But there's also all sorts of different options around the place. It's an affiliate link, which means that they will know that we sent you, and they might be able to host us at another one around the world somewhere, which is kind of cool.
How many drinks did you guys have? Okay, you can't see it. 2513.
I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, so hungry. Looking forward to this.
We've
Starving.
We've only fed Dad breakfast this morning. We were like, you cannot eat too much before
Yep.
this food tour. Dad's first ever food tour.
Food tour.
So yeah, that's why we're giving him the insider tips. Like, don't eat too much. Make sure you don't eat everything at the first stop. So, are you excited?
Yes, very excited and looking forward to it. It's going to bring back a lot of memories for me with food that I've not had for a long, long time.
Yeah,
So I'm looking forward to it.
Stacey.
It's my dad, George.
Dane.
Dane.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Sidos.
Sidos. Good to meet you, man.
Where are you guys from?
New Zealand. But Dad's from Malaysia.
I'm from here.
Yeah. We could have up to 20 stops, 18 to 20 stops. So it's
Foods to try.
Oh, foods to try, not stops, sorry. But we're starting at the Chao Kip markets now, and the first thing we're going to try is some fruit.
Fruit seems like an easy way to start. Some of them not so much.
So it's also known as a memory food. Good for your memory, good for your eye, good for your heart.
Just bite it. Yeah, it's an odd flavour. Like one I've never had before.
There's lots of orange sort of thing I can feel.
Yeah.
But for the most part, absolute winners. And George is already down memory lane and we've literally just started. We've probably got 20 more things to taste.
Oh, we ate the whole thing. It's my favourite one so far.
Yeah, Matt, brings back memories.
Love it.
That's yum. I like that.
Beautiful, yeah.
Refreshing.
It's nice.
Okay. Thank you. Terima kasih. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
They're better at YouTube than we are.
Stinky bean, the name derived the stinky bean not because it tastes,
Okay.
the after effect. So it's actually good for your stomach, it cleans your stomach. After effect, stinky urine, stinky fart.
Yeah.
Very similar to asparagus effect.
Yeah, asparagus.
Either you
Stinky
can eat it raw or you can eat it.
Those that fart together, stay together. Cheers.
I'm not choosing to that.
No. Not a huge. Oh, okay. Wow.
It's bitter.
Oh my God.
It tastes like the ground.
Yeah, it's very earthy.
It's like peppery almost.
Yeah, crunchy as well.
What do you reckon? You don't like it?
Wait till you start urinating.
Please tell whenever a food
Look
is
how
involved-
beautiful these veggies are. Almost makes you want to eat vegetables. Doesn't it? Look at them.
Almost.
Almost makes you want to eat some veggies.
Alright, so we're at our first stop, and I don't think that we could have 3 more perfect things for us, to be honest. The first one is 3 different types of tea.
In India we call it chai. In Malaysia we call it teh tarik. The difference will be the Indian one and Malaysian one is the ingredient. The Indian one, black tea, milk and sugar. Malaysian one, black tea with condensed milk.
Is it two different types of?
Tea.
Good job.
Good. Very nice.
Not just hot or iced. How about iced with tea, coffee, and condensed milk as well? We've never even heard of this. Apparently it's chum. Oh, cheers guys. Cheers. George has gone for hot, Stacey's gone for cold. Damn, that was a journey. It's like kind of hot, kind of cold, incredibly sweet, a little bit bitter.
Yep, it's definitely sweet.
Oh man, I actually really like the combo with the coffee as well. I'm gonna be buzzing, cousin.
Oh, that's good. Then we're having two different types of roti.
Don't tell anybody. The secret with the Malaysian roti is inside. It's not just flour and stuff like what you find in the Indian one. It also has condensed milk and egg.
Ada yang punya saya Dane. Mana lagi le? Ah, mana? Ada. Iya. Okay.
It's not that easy, man. It looks easy, but
Except the whole part. Just the small hole.
Yeah. Very good.
not bad.
Again, she has the skill.
I see you laughing over there. Wait till you try it.
How do you get this spread up? There we go. Very good. Oh, nope. Nope.
These are the roti that we made. Comes with 3 different types of sauces. We've got chicken curry, dal in the middle, and then fish curry on the side.
My roti was the best. Everybody's agreed. I got too aggressive.
Nah, we're trying to avoid Dane's one. You're gonna like that, Jab.
You like that?
So much flavour. I think this is kind of unique. This is roti with egg or dalo on the inside. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Ooh, fluffy. Now it's time for the noodles. We're just watching how it's made, and it feels like the wok is so hot. The flames are like flying in our face.
Ready. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna try the mamak mee goreng. I haven't tried for a long time. Tasty, a bit limey, the lime that you put on. It's absolutely beautiful, yeah.
I'm not kidding. This is better than any mee goreng we've ever had in Bali, which is going to offend a few people perhaps, but not too oily, which I think is a big thing that we keep finding. Huge amount of chicken in there as well. Nice amount of soy. Spice level was just perfect.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hey brother. Thank you. That's the mee goreng maestro. Did we pace ourselves or did we not?
I didn't.
Yeah, a little.
I don't.
George!
A little
You're
not.
bloody lying, mate!
A little not, he says.
I literally said, are we pacing ourselves while we're sitting there? He said yes, and then I watch him a second later pick up more roti, dunk into the mouth. I was like, brother, what are you doing? Why we just talked about this?
It's been years since I tried it, so, you know.
We're gonna have to roll this guy home.
I think this is this.
Of course, I can't stop when I start.
Yeah. You must be excited, babe.
I don't mind a bit of chendol, which, if you don't know, is like a icy kind of pudding, I guess you'd call it. It's got coconut or coconut milk, is it there?
Yeah, coconut.
And it's got these green noodles and beans.
Beans, yeah.
And this one
Shaved ice.
is different because it has durian. We've actually had the durian removed. It's separate. It usually does come combined, but just in case we absolutely hate it, it doesn't ruin both dishes.
So instead, we've got a small amount here.
Yeah.
Original one, it takes 10 years to grow.
Yeah.
Only once a year.
Once again, you can.
You can harvest once a year only.
Do you actually like it?
Yeah.
Really? I don't want it.
You can do it.
I don't
At
want
least you can say you've done it. Come on.
I've done it before.
Have you? Oh, that's easy, yes, then.
It tastes like mashed onion. Like creamy,
Yeah.
rubbishy onion. No.
It's just like how I remember it. Yeah. Very refreshing. Very nice.
Wash down the onion.
Yeah.
Oh goodness, this was here.
Wait, burgers?
Buy this burger.
Yes.
This burger
Yes.
The Ramly burger. So if you are in Malaysia, you must try our local Ramly burger. Back in 70s, we normally buy our patty from Australia. It's a widespread issue pertaining the legitimacy of halal. So one guy find this opportunity. Ramly came to Chowkit, he started his own shop, he started to make his own patty, the halal one. So now he export all over Malaysia, buys from him. It's $1 billion business.
The ups and downs of a food tour, man. How did we go from durian, which is fairly average, let's be honest, and is so pungent, there's fermented durian that somehow made it worse, to across the road, to burgers. Man, I don't know. And not only that, we just had an icy dessert and buxo meatballs. We're on like this odd journey. Whoa. What's happening?
This one, black pepper sauce.
Black
Homemade.
pepper sauce.
Homemade.
Oh, so you dunk it in that and then inside the egg.
I'm so excited for this. I've wanted to try one of these for so long. I feel like we're going to get a really, really good one.
What a creation.
Look at that. Oh, he's in.
Oh,
Wow.
oh, so saucy.
It's a lot of flavours.
Is it sweet chili?
There's heaps of
Sweet chili sauce in there. I love a saucy burger.
The black pepper sauce as well. Really good on the patty.
Incredible flavour to the patty.
And the egg wrapped, I've never seen that before, but that
Love
is
it.
really good.
We've only seen that with a pad thai, not a burger patty
Yeah, the
in Malaysia of all
patty.
places. And it's a big walk to our next stop. Right here.
You can literally smell the coconut already. It's like steaming away on this hot plate here. It smells good. Palm sugar. I feel like there might be some pandan because it's green. Coconut.
Pandan.
Did you ever eat this one, George?
Yes, I have. When I was little, yeah. Anything sweet's my favorite.
Everything's sweet here, eh? Where you going?
You like it?
That's really good. It's
Try the
sweet,
green one.
but not too sweet.
Yeah, it's just nice.
It's
And you should eat while it's hot.
It's so good because it's hot. The end had a bit of like a crumbly texture, but the further that you get in and you get that palm sugar, whew, delicious.
Me means noodle, ayam means chicken. Noodle Chicken King. Turns out the Chicken Noodle King also has mackerel. So we're getting a whole mackerel. I just watched him clean it in the sink. Now he's got his own fan on the grill there.
What is so bad?
His #1 fan. The Noodle King's doing things different here. Apparently, in this broth, there has been chicken feet, which is supposed. Would you say collagen? What about it?
Collagen.
Which contains collagen, so apparently that's good for you, for your skin. The chicken in that is like a curried chicken, but then it's like a broth, so it's kind of a weird combination. Actually, I take that back. Not weird at all. I just combined the sambal, the sweet chili sauce, and the thick kind of dark soy. A little bit of chicken broth in there as well. Mix that all together. It's like a whole new dimension. It really adds like a whole new element to it. That is banging, babe. You're gonna actually really love that.
What happened there? Did it hit you in the throat?
Hit me in the throat, yeah. Actually, it did, yes. But definitely changed the flavor of it completely when I just had it without anything. It's really nice.
That just took it from like chicken 2-minute noodles to like
It's like 4-minute noodles.
maybe even 5.
And of course, we got that satay. You can't come here and not have the satay. Is that the sauce there as well?
Yeah.
Oh, that's quite runny, eh? Quite liquidy, yeah. Very creamy. And then we've got the rice here as well. Looking good.
I think we're actually halfway.
Just told us that we're halfway, and I'm like literally trying to pull my pants up higher than to go any higher so I can let my stomach expand. We can't be. We've got to be more than halfway, but we're walking from Chowkit now to Kampung Baru, which Kampung means village, Baru means new. The thing is, this is the oldest part of town, so I'm not entirely sure why it's called that, but
Marketing.
marketing. But it is
Yeah.
a beautiful spot. Like the Petronas Towers are right there in front of us, and it looks so pretty at night time.
Yeah, I think some PR agency was just like, oh, so it's pretty old, right? Why don't we just say it's new? Is anybody gonna know? If you watched our last vlog, you'd know there was one food that George was looking forward to the most coming to Malaysia.
Nasi lemak.
Nasi lemak.
And Stacey found the place in Kampung Baru called Wanjong, and it turned out to be amazing.
Oh wow.
So that is supposed to be the next stop right now, but we've already tried it before, so we're going to jump into a couple of other things.
Chicken, one lamb. The reason difference between the earlier one and this one,
Right.
top meat, bottom meat, in the middle for chicken will be skin. For the beef or lamb, in the middle will have the fat
Oh, okay.
and comes together with peanut sauce.
So does that give it more flavour as well?
Yes,
Oh, I
exactly.
see. Absolutely, packed with flavour.
Different to the other. Other Southeast we have.
This is a blue rice, and it's coloured using a flour. But we're going down a whole journey here. What else we got? I wouldn't even know what that was. I still don't.
We call it solo lada. Solo.
Solo.
Solo kan? This is actually a fish paste.
Oh, that sounds horrific. It's a fish paste. Fish paste? No? Well, I can't just say that it sounds horrific with fish paste in there and not try it. So we're going to do the rice. So you flavour it up. We've got fish sauce, salad, soy sauce,
Soy sauce, chili
some
sauce.
chili in there. Oh, sorry, I have to get the paste.
Oh, you're just gonna get it just like that?
Oh, apparently.
Just digging at it.
Just digging it up.
Oh, you don't even mix it.
You're gonna judge it. You got to try it. I made the mistake of putting the fish paste at the end of the fork. The first thing that touched my tongue. But you know what? It works. It's actually, yeah.
It's not bad. It looks
works.
better. It tastes better than it looks.
Yeah, I agree. Look, I'm not saying that I'm the kind of person that can get behind just a random rice and vegetable dish. Like, I'm a meat guy, you probably know that. But, you know, sometimes you just mix these random things together and it actually comes out with something good.
Otak-otak made from mackerel fish, made into a paste. They add some curry powder, turmeric, and then palm sugar. Put in a palm leaf, and they grill it.
Fish and sugar.
Yes.
Well, I like it.
I'm just dreaming of the mango shake already.
Oh, same.
Nice.
You finish it. You guys want some more?
That's not my favourite.
If that was any earlier on, I think we would have given it a little bit more of a chance. It's just that Tidos told us that we're now having mango shakes to finish off the night. And I think everybody went, oh yeah.
Mango, mango.
But this isn't just any mango shake, right? Because we've also got...
Condensed milk, ice, and mango blended. On top, they put some mango as well.
Man, that sounds dangerous. It's Thai mango. Apparently the Indian mango is the best. It's less stringy, more sweet, but harder to get and more expensive.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah.
That actually rocks my world.
Oh, that is so good.
That is the ultimate one to finish on as well.
And you're so right, the condensed milk just balances it. It doesn't make it too sweet or anything. You can't even talk, he's just a pivot.
I love mango. You just can't get it good anywhere else but in Asia. That's a treat for me. Good job, Georgie. Mate, what is that?
Is there alcohol in that mango shake?
You finished that, eh? Hey, guys, come on.
No, I couldn't.
I thought you were pacing yourself.
So you guys want to take the stairs or take the lift?
I think the lift's fine, mate. Finishing up at the Petronas Towers.
So beautiful.
Insane amount of food tonight.
But
Feels like it's been a whole day. It's been 4 hours.
so delicious. Like such a good variety. Some of our favourites and then some new favourites as well.
And first food tour, George, how was it?
It was good. Never had an experience like this. It was really nice.
I feel like he's really full and he can't even explain himself.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm full. I am so full.
Me too.
I just gonna go home, have a shower and sleep.
We've broken him.
Will you do another one though?
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
I definitely will. Yeah.
Yeah, me too. That was
Yeah.
so much fun.
Yeah.
Such good food. So fun to do it with
Yes.
you.
It was different food as well.
Yeah, it was nice.
Next time on episode 3 of Travels with my dad.
We're heading up to Genting Highlands, somewhere I worked about 40 years ago. I can't wait to see how different things are and see if I can find a place I used to work. We'll see you then.